Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am so excited, but we are going to be unboxing Miss Laura Lee's mystery box. You guys want to see what I got in here, what my thoughts are, and was it worth $75? Well, definitely keep watching. Okay, so this past weekend, Laura Lee Los Angeles finally announced that they were doing a mystery box. And if you guys don't know, I love mystery boxes with such a passion. I think they're so much fun. And this is her first time launching it. And I was just like, freak yeah, I was so damn excited to get my hands on one of her mystery boxes. Now, she had 3 of them. She had box A, B, and C. A retailed at $75, B retailed at $60, and C retailed at $50. So initially when this launched, I panicked. I mean, like, I went into full panic mode and I was like, and I bought the first box I saw, which was box A that retails for $75. I checked out and then I was like, perfect, this is amazing, I'm good. Then I actually saw like what was in each box, and what's in these boxes like kind of like is the same thing, which I'll put like little screenshots right here to see what you can get in each box. And I was like, damn, should I get box B and box C? I already bought box A, and I know she said there's gonna be duplicate items in the mystery bags, but should I buy it? So I bought it. Now here's the thing, I bought it probably like 30 minutes after I bought box A. And right now that order still says order placed. It has not shipped. But this, I shit you not, shipped before 2 o'clock. And I was like, hot damn, Laura Lee. Like, you are shipping this out within an hour of launching it. Mind blown. I was so blown away. But the other 2 boxes has still yet to ship. So just know that whenever those come in, I might do a video, I might not. Now, I do want to preface this and say that I know that I'm going to get duplicate items. I understand that. However, one, I want to support my girl, Laura Lee. I love Laura Lee so much. Like, her content really has changed throughout the years. And I've fallen so much in love with her. I love her PR unboxings. I love her hauls. I love her try-ons. I love her lifestyle. Like, I love when she does like her cleaning and organization. And I know that this past year, her mother unfortunately passed away, and seeing her come on camera and still have a smile on her face, knowing what she's going through, like, that brings me so much strength to myself. Like, I don't think she realizes how much strength that she possesses and how much that radiates through just her smiling and in camera. And it just lets me know that, you know, bad things happen, but that we can persevere and we can survive it. And she has given me so much hope and courage and strength, and she doesn't even realize that she did it. And my heart just goes to her, and I love her so much. And I've been such a big fan of her, and I supported her for so long. And I just knew that I know I'm going to get duplicate items, but I still want to support her in every way, shape that I can. Not to mention, I love giving back to you guys. So whatever duplicate I get, you guys already know I'm going to put it into No Waste Wednesday and also do a giveaway. So I'm happy with having all 3. It just sucks I don't have the other ones to accompany it right now. I just have the $75 one. I'm so damn excited. I'm so proud that her mystery boxes sold out. I'm so happy for her. So congratulations, Laura Lee. I am also rocking her right now. I am wearing the Laura Lee Nudie Patootie 2 palette, or the Nudie 2 palette, and I'm actually wearing her liquid lip. This is in the shade Show Off right here. Beautiful shade. It actually kind of like matches my sweater that I got from Target, so thank you so much. But we do have, like I said, 3 different boxes. So box A, which is $75, is valued at $208, and it has a mix of makeup products and accessories. So we have 1 new beauty tool, 1 new beauty accessory, 1 new makeup bag, 1 mini palette, 3 full-size palettes, 2 lip products, 3 beauty tools, and 6 more cosmetic items. Box B is valued at $150, and it's going to have the same thing, except it's going to have no mini makeup product, and it doesn't look like it's going to have any lips. And then box C is valued at $141. You're going to get the same thing, but this time it's just going to have 1 lip product, 2 beauty tools, and 3 full-size palettes. So you guys already know that whatever duplicate I'm going to get back to you guys. But I'm just so excited. I was so impressed that this literally shipped within an hour of ordering it. I'm like, oh my God. And then it got here so quick, because I know that they post on their website because it's Easter weekend. Orders are going to be delayed. And I was like, okay, I totally expect that. Bitch got here so freaking quick. I was like, hot damn. I'm so excited. I'm just excited to get the other 2 as well. So here we are. Oh, do I see a spoiler for a beauty sponge? Oh my God. Okay, so obviously one of the first things she said we were gonna get is a beauty bag right here. So this is the makeup bag, and holy crap, this is heavy. This is heavy, but it is actually so beautiful. I love the LL for Laura Lee, the rose gold, and this has a very, very soft, like almost like a velvety texture, but it's not velvet. It's like a, oh, what's that thing called when you play pool? It's like that type of texture. It just feels super nice. I really do enjoy it, and it's really, really heavy. So before we dive into there, we're going to look at the items that are here. So the very first thing is we have a Miss Laura Lee mirror, and it's a beautiful, stop it. This is nice and heavy. So you have a regular size mirror, and then when you flip it, you have a magnification on the back. What? That is so freaking amazing. The mirror that I use is just my little ColourPop little heart mirror when I try to look at my makeup up close. But the fact that I could have this big ass mirror right here, oh my God, Laura, this is beautiful. This is so cool. Oh my God, that's awesome. Next, like I said, I think this is a new beauty product right here. This is the LL Beauty Sponge. So it says the LL Beauty Sponge is a double-sided multi-purpose sponge that allows you to set, contour, and blend all in one. It works great with powders, liquids, and creams. Your makeup will be left with a flawless, streak-free finish. So it says wet the sponge to expand, apply products in a light tapping motion. And then it shows like right here, flat surface for baking and pointed tip for precision application. What? This is so cool. Oh my God, look at this texture. This is really, really nice. It's gonna be easy to cut that contour line right here, to bake, to press powder, to get right up here in the nooks and cranny of your eyes. This is beautiful, and it's a nude shade. This is gonna be so much fun to play with. I can't wait to see what it's like when I try it out. That's awesome. That's really cool. So next we have this Laura Lee Los Angeles. This Laura Lee Los Angeles palette right here. I think this is her empty, yes, perfect. This is the empty magnetic palette right here. I actually have one of these from Morphe, but I've only saw this because she does sell individual shadows. So this would be so cool to have magnetic and to place more loose stuff in here. That is so freaking cool. Next, we do have two little liquid lips or something in here. A nudie and a glazed and bronze. So that's actually really funny. So this actually is in the shade Show Off, which is legit what I'm wearing on my lips right here. Show Off. Beautiful, beautiful color. So I'm going to go ahead and leave this in its packaging and put this into my first giveaway, or like my No Waste Wednesday, because I already have one right here. I have to say her lip formula is extremely, extremely comfortable. I always get asked what my favorite liquid lip formula is, and I always go back and forth between Laura Lee Los Angeles and Lunar Beauty. I love both her liquid lips with such a passion. This feels like I'm wearing nothing on my lips. It has a very sweet smell to it, but it's not overwhelming, and then it dries down really quickly, but it doesn't dry down to make your lips feel like you are sucking on a Sahara Desert butthole. Like it feels so comfortable. Yes, I do have butthole lips, but they don't feel like crusty butthole lips. They just feel like I'm wearing chapstick, and that's something I really, 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 really enjoy. I want to be able to like, I'm gonna do this, eat, and whatever, and not have to deal with any sort of liquid lip budging and moving and it feeling like I need, hydration on my lips. This is just so freaking comfortable. So I always go back and forth between Lunar Beauty because I do have such a special place in my heart for Lunar Beauty. It's one of my favorite brands out there, and Laura Lee is right next to it, being right up top with one of my favorite brands. It's really becoming such a brand that I've been loving so much lately. I'm dying to shop her Nudie Patootie collection, but that shit sells out so freaking quick that I'm like, God damn it. And it's expensive, but you know what? She's worth it. But I just really do enjoy both their formulas. They really need to do a collab together. Like Laura Lee and Lunar Beauty do a collab together. That'd be so sick. But yes, I'm gonna go ahead and add this to a No Waste Wednesday. So next we do the shade, this is Coral Pop, which again, I actually have the shade Coral Pop right here. So this is the shade Coral Pop. So you see it right here. So I already have my own. So again, I'm going to go ahead and add this into a No Waste Wednesday because I already own it. But that is really, really cool. I will swatch these for you guys so you guys can see. Oh my God, that just smells so good. It's like almost like a sweet watermelon. Maybe the shade Show Off, and then we're going to have the shade Coral Pop right next to that right there. Oh God, it smells so good. I'm excited because I really want to expand my little drawer that I have. This is just dedicated just to Laura Lee liquid lips. So I just want to keep expanding it. So that is really cool. Okay, now we're going to dive into this makeup bag right here. I love the fact that they put the products in here. That's so cool. Everything's wrapped. Everything's wrapped. Oh my God. Okay, so first things first, I am seeing some brushes right here. I don't have any of Laura Lee brushes. I always wanted to get them. They always seem to sell out pretty quickly, but I always wanted to get these. I hear nothing but amazing things. First off, wow. That is really, really soft. I do love the handle. The handle, it doesn't seem like it's going to be one to stain. This is L13. Very, very, very soft. I love the rose gold and then like the nude color. Very beautiful. We seem to have a lip liner right here. An L20 for a lip. And then we also have one of my favorite style brushes. This is going to be the L16 just to get right up in here, getting that little nook and cranny between your eye. Oh, beautiful. That is exciting. I always want to try her brushes. Okay, so next we have this right here. No idea what we're getting. Ooh, we got Boss Babe. I actually don't have her small palettes at all. I used to have Party Animal, but then I dropped it and it broke and shattered. So unfortunately I did have to get rid of it. So I don't have any of her small ones, but here we have Boss Babe right here. And oh, look at how cute it is. Now this is a neutral palette. You guys know how I feel about neutral palettes. However, I just love Nudie too so much. It can create like a really soft, beautiful, romantic look. And I just want to add more to my Laura Lee collection. So that's actually really, really cool. I love the shade Hustler though. That's beautiful. Oh my God, yeah, that's gorgeous. All right, we got another one right here. Stop. What? Oh my God, we got a lot of eyeshadows right here. Okay, so we got the shadow Glam Gal. We got Night Sky. We got Crystal Sea, Sweet Pea, Cobalt Cat, and Gimmick right here. What? That's so cool. I'm gonna have to put these all inside the eyeshadow palette that they gave us. That is so freaking cool. That's a lot. Wow. Oh my God, that's so cool. All right, next we do have Nudie Patootie. Now this is like when her brand started to like rebrand and go from cat pajamas looking palette to this, and this is such a beautiful palette. Now this is actually the sister palette to it, like this is like part 2 to the Nudie Patootie palette, and I actually already have this palette because it's such a gorgeous palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my No Waste Wednesday, yeah, because I really want you guys to try out the formula. It's a beautiful, beautiful formula. The shimmers just blend so easily, they go on so nicely, and then the mattes are just so elegant and beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that to a No Waste Wednesday. That's also really cool. All right, next we have this. Oh my God, this is huge. What is this? The Glazed in Bronze Light Kit by Laura Lee's Los Angeles. This is a highlighter palette. What? There's 2 in here. Oh my God. Okay, so we have the Glazed Light Lip Kit by Laura Lee. Oh my God, these are beautiful. I actually don't have this, so this is really, really, really exciting. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Let me swatch one of these. I'm gonna swatch a Diamond. Oh, and Glow Gal. Stop it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my God, that's so cool. And then we also have the Bronze palette right here. This is like actual like, oh my God, these are like deeper shades. Look at that. This is beautiful. Now I know that she released this, I think around Christmas time last year, 2019. And unfortunately never got my hands on it at that time. Oh my God, bitch. Look at how pretty those are. That is so freaking cool. This makes me want to break out into a Christmas song. I wonder if she still has like her Christmas palettes. That is so cool. And then last but not least, we do have the makeup bag. I really do like how big this makeup bag is. You open this up and you do have a nice big pocket in here, and you can just close that right on up. And I just like how big it is because I could literally fit a full face of makeup products in here. That is so freaking cool. It is so comfortable. It's so nice. I just love the little handle because sometimes you have makeup bags that are just so big and chunky. So it's really nice to have a makeup bag that's actually kind of like, you know, I guess longer than like wider. I like it to have more longer because I can fit more products in here. So that's actually really freaking cool. So let me go ahead and add these shadows in here so I can show you guys, and then I will give you guys my final thoughts. Okay, so here are all the shadows placed in here. Very, very nice. I like how easily they just go in the shade right here. Guys, that is just freaking stunning. Oh my gosh, yes. Very, very nice. Very beautiful. Go on so nicely. That is freaking awesome. Okay, so I paid $75 for this box. And damn, did she not disappoint. Not only did I get 2 liquid lips, 1 palette, 2 palettes, 3 palettes, I guess 4 if you count these, 6 shadows in here. I got a makeup sponge, I got 3 brushes, and I got a makeup bag right here. Guys, this was beyond what I had expected. This was so worth $75, if not more. Oh, and I got the new sponge. I got the new sponge. Like, I got the new sponge. Like, this is so worth every single penny that I spent on it. And oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh, and I forgot the mirror. Oh, I forgot the mirror. We also got the mirror. She literally put in so many products in here. So many products, and I think that is fantastic. Now, I know that whenever you buy any mystery boxes, a lot of times you're always scared that you're going to get products that were just really old and haven't sold, but I feel like these products are still selling out on her site all the time, and they're not old whatsoever. And she included new products in here, which I think is fantastic, because I've shopped other mystery box brands and they've always never included anything new. So it's so nice that she actually made products available for this first that she's going to eventually sell on her website by the end of the month. And I think that is fantastic. And this was a great freaking box. I'm really, really happy about every single thing that I got. I cannot wait to play with the sponge, the brushes, the makeup bag, and then the Boss Babe right here, this palette right here. The glazed and bronze palette. That's so cool. So Laura Lee, I think this was absolutely fantastic. I'm so happy that you did a mystery box. I cannot wait to see you do it again. It'd be kind of cool if you did one for Nudie Patootie website. Just saying. And you and Lunar Beauty should team up, because I loved when I did Lunar Beauty's unboxing 2 years ago. Oh my God, that was such a great box as well. And I did box all in 3, so I did unbox all 3 as well in that one, but this was absolutely fantastic, and this was worth every single penny. So congratulations for selling out your mystery boxes. So yeah, guys, just know that whenever I get the other 2 boxes in, I could either unbox it for you guys, but just know that anything I have duplicate is just going to go into a giveaway right back to you guys at the end of the month, and or maybe in that video, who knows. But either way, I'm just excited to give back so you guys can finally try this brand, because I freaking love it so much. So with that said, guys, that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give it a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 to 4, mostly 5 times a week, or I should say this, like Laura Lee, I wish she still did it, but she doesn't. But subscribe to my channel before you leave. Subscribe. But please make sure you guys do subscribe. It helps me out so much. Make sure you guys also subscribe to Laura Lee down below, but I'm pretty sure you guys are. And don't forget to head over to my other channel. It's R for the Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. And a huge, huge thank you to all these beautiful Patreon members that you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for every single thing that you do. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you didn't subscribe, either way, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye. Sleigh bell ring. Are you listening? Here, and what was the other one? We'll have one new beauty. I just want to see you. I like to keep unicorns, but okay, come on. Much fun. So when I saw that Laura Lee Los Angeles was finally launching their own, was fun. Box A is valued. Box A retails for $75. Box B retails for $60, and Box C retails for. And one of the coolest in cleaning and organization. Happy tonight. In a winter wonderland. And just her cleaning and okay, so from what I can tell, it's like I know I'm gonna give